Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm excited to share a useful tool that I created to help you basically write much better prompt based on the recent advancement in the industry. So if you've missed it, both OpenAI and Google released their best practices when it comes to writing prompts, creating agents, and how you can get the most out of the large language models when you start chatting with them. And these are very important because these companies set their standard on how you should communicate and get the model to perform the way that you want. And they both released different basically guides on how to structure your prompts and how to communicate with your large language model in order to get the results that you want. But as you see, this is not an easy document. It's very lengthy, and it's I don't want to say complicated, but it has many layers that you need to consider when it comes to writing the prompts. Also, there prompt engineering practices, and for those who might not know, prompt engineering is different from prompt writing, and there are best practices to do that as well. Also, OpenAI released a guide on how to build agents, which underlying building agents is prompt engineering and prompt writing. I created a tool for you. It's called it's a GPT. It's called Master Prompter that is trained on the best practices, and all it does is that you just type what you want, and it turns your basic prompt to a master prompt that you could use, and that prompt is engineered based on these guides. So let me give you a demo. So I've written a very basic prompt, like write me a LinkedIn post about the importance of learning new skills in the age of generative AI to be and stay relevant in your industry. So it's a very basic prompt, and it does not have any structure to it. There's no context, role, or anything like that. And if you copy paste this into, let's say, a GPT chat, and I'm using the 4.0 model, you see that you will get a basically very standard and templated version of the post that you could easily see. It's written by ChatGPT. But if I post the same prompt into this master prompter, it will follow the guidelines and actually create a master prompt for you, which has the persona role. It has the clear objective, it has the detailed context, and it guides the model to write, in the steps in order to get the results. And their output specifications, which has, format, style, tone, and constraints and guidelines, as well as quality assurance and edge case handling. So you see that we just entered the very basic prompt here, but what we got is this master prompt in return. So if I copy paste this prompt and go back to the same chat, and if I put this new prompt instead of the basic one, you see that it's right off the bat much better post. It has a very strong hook, and when it comes to writing, the post, the social media post, and everything else, the hook is probably the most important part because it will keep people engaged in reading the rest of it. So I just read the first two sentences, and you see, it's, like I said, it's a very generic type of post, but when it comes to here, it follows the hook, the spaces. Yeah, that's pretty good. It works for any specific task as well. It's not limited to social media. You could be writing about an engineering task or whatever, and it will do it for you. So just to demonstrate, I'm gonna start a new chat and ask it to write a PRD product required document for a communication app like Slack. Okay, so it's a very basic, again, prompt. If I enter this, we'll start writing like the persona. You are a senior product manager with expertise in SaaS collaboration tools, and I will write the whole thing for you. Cool. So if I copy and paste this into, let's start new chat. Yep, I love it. It works really great. So I hope you find this tool useful, and please feel free to let me know how it works. And if you want any optimization or any change or any edge case to it, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you very much.